Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing good so far. Okay, today in this video I'm going to explain a little bit what you need to know about the grammar of some question words that you need to know to answer some pages of your English book. So please right now pay attention please to this video. We're going to start with the grammar WH question words. Where, what, why, when, who, and how. Okay, I'm going to explain. Double H question words. We use question words to ask certain types of questions. I need you guys to go in your English book on page 165. We often refer to those words as a WH words because they include the letters W and H. For example, why and how. Okay, I'm going to explain to you how. We use how to ask about conditions. How about it's used to suggest or ask for your opinion, and it's very common for how to ask about degree when you combine it with other words. For example, you say how old, how far, how long. Okay, and you can see these pictures and you can read it how to take gorgeous Instagram photos, how to keep a nice bedroom. How is your family? How is the family? How to get more Facebook likes? And let's see more example. How is used with much and many? How much does it cost? You see, we add how and many or much. How is used with adjectives and manners? How cold is it? It's the questions. Number three, how long? Ask about late of times. How? Number four, how often? Ask about frequency. Number five, how far? Ask about distance. How far? How far is your house? Number six, and how old are you? Ask your age. If someone asks your age, it says, how old are you? Or how old are you? You ask your friends. Number seven, how is your family? How is your family? How was your trip? How is your life going? Number 10, how is your class going so far right now? Okay, and let's see with the next one, where? You see those two men they're asking each other. We use where to ask about place. Asking are in what place. Okay, I would say more example. Where do you live? Where is the park? Where the accident happened? Where can I find a good Mexican restaurant? Where should we go for dinner? Where are my keys? Maybe you lost your keys and you need to find them. And you say, where are my keys? And where were you? You need to find someone and you can find and you ask him or her, where were you? And the next one, what? We use what to ask about things, ask for information about something. Okay, and two more example, what is your name? Use what is your last name? What is wrong? What kind of movies do you like? What is your favorite color? What do you like to do on the weekends? What time does the party start? What happened? What can I do to help? What a great job. I don't believe it. Okay, and why? See those people? Why am I sick? Why am I here? We use why to ask for reasons. Why me? Okay, let's see more example. Why is used only to ask questions. When we answer question with why, when we have to use the word because is used to answer. Like, for example, why does Peter eat vegetable? He eats vegetable because he likes them. The Do you like to practice sport? Why? Why do you like to practice sport? Because you give the answer. Who is your favorite actor? Why? Why is your favorite actor? And why do you want to learn English? Because I want to go to American. Because I want to share with American people, with English people. Do you like to stay home on weekends? Why? Why do you like to stay at home on weekends, over the weekends? Number six, why do you work? Because I like money. Because I need money. Number seven, why is Paulo sad? Because he broke the base. He broke the base. See this picture? Broke the base. This man, this young man right here. Okay, so let's go with when. See this picture? When a woman loves a man, she wants to be a most important person in his life. Uh, when is the Mother's Day? When you grow up. When we use when to ask about time. about time. Okay, let's see more example. When did you get here? When did you have to go back? When do you have to go back to school when this pandemic ends? See, let me know at once when you will start. See, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? When will the wedding take place? When when do you work? See, and let's go with who. Who? See those people they asking each other maybe, like this man. Who is this man? Oh, who are you? We use who to ask about people. Ask what or which person. Okay. Let's see more example. Who is this man? Who is that woman? Who you work with? Who is your father? Who is your brother? Who is calling? Who is the sick person? Who is the patient? See the picture? In. Let's see the next one. So you need to go on in your English book on page 167 English book. We're going to learn a little bit about past simple and past progressive tense. Okay. And remember, the simple past talks about something that happened before it happened and it's finished. The past progressive talks about something that it was happening before, but for a period of time. It uses for we uses was or were plus verb plus ing in the verb, like was eating or were playing. See, and let's see these examples. Okay, this example right here, the man was reading the newspaper while the woman was eating her ice cream. See, the man was reading the newspaper, this man, and then she was while the woman was eating her ice cream. And then let's see the next example we have. It is I was sitting in Max's cafe and I was sitting in Max's cafe and watching people. And the next one, the thief stole the briefcase and ran away. This man right here, the thief stole the briefcase and ran away. Okay, so this one is the simple past. And let's see more example. And see the past continuous progressive tense. I was watching TV when she called. See, this is past simple past, and this is progressive. Okay, so this one, while father was cooking meat, we were playing football. See the picture. Simple past. She planted roses yesterday. See, she did not plant roses yesterday. So this one, did she plant roses yesterday? So this is past simple. Okay. Okay, let's see more example. The past simple. I watched TV last week. See, I watched past simple. The past. The boss stopped a few minutes ago. I met my wife 9 years ago. She left the school in 2010. Did she clean her home? See, past simple, simple past. I read interesting book last month. See, you finish it. You already read. He cut his finger and went to the hospital. See, and she finished her work at 6 o'clock. The rain stopped an hour ago. We wanted a movie last weekend. We were good friends. We were good friends. So, and she was reading the newspaper in the living room. So this is past progressive. You were working very hard yesterday. You were working because we have ing in the verb. We use in was and were. See, and they were playing in the park. They were playing in the park. She was doing the work of two people, and he was speaking German, and or he or she was speaking, and the plane was leaving the airport. He was playing in the park. They were selling books there. See this example more. When I arrived at the school, my boss was waiting outside. So this man right here is the boss, and she says then I arrived at the school. My boss was waiting outside. Okay, so let's see more. And then you need to go in your English book too on page 172 English book. Comparative sentences. We're going to learn a little bit about comparative sentences. And let's see these pictures. Take a look at this picture and here to compare one person, place, or things. You use comparative. You can compare things. Compare. Okay, compare some things. And we use er then with short adjectives, and when it is long adjectives we add more. Okay, so one syllable we add only er. If it's more than two syllables you add more. Okay, so let's see some examples. This one is strong, stronger, So this man right here is strong, but he is stronger. Okay, old and older. Okay, so we are comparing old, older, fast and faster. So this girl right here, she's more faster because got a car, and then this man is fast, but she's more faster. Okay, for example, we have more example right here. Nick is taller than Bob. So maybe you can see Nick is taller than Bob. Okay, so let's see more example. My house is bigger than yours. I'm comparing my house than your house. And then my house is bigger than your house. And the Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Arctic oceans. Okay, you are more polite than Joey. Okay, you're more polite. See, polite. So more than two syllables. Okay, my brother is taller than I am, but he's older too. Rose is more beautiful, more beautiful. Beautiful, it's more than two syllables, so then a daisy. See, the earth is larger is one syllable, so we add er. Then the moon, and she is more ambitious than her sister. So this one is more than one syllable, so we add more. She is more intelligent is bigger word, so adjective, so we add more than you. She is more intelligent than you. He's more elegant than my brother, than more elegant, so elegant. His idea is better than the last one. His idea is better. Okay, today is colder than yesterday. Today is colder than yesterday. Colder. Okay, China is bigger than Italy. It's bigger. So China is more bigger than Italy. I'm comparing countries. Okay, she is younger than her brother. Younger. Ages. Okay, he is older than his friend. He's older. Okay, let's see this another examples right here. Bogota is bigger than Medellin, but Medellin is bigger. My friend is 12 years old, but I am taller than him. See, this man right here, he has a small friends, a small taller. So you're comparing how tall it is. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. I hope this video will help you to do some activities in your English book. And thank you very much for watching this video. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.